In this problem, we're going to be solving the following ABC triangle. And we're doing it given the information that A is 24 degrees, angle B is 82 degrees, and side C, because it is the side opposite angle C, is equal to 5 meters. So, the first thing that we should do here is list off all of our current information into our final answer. So we make a list of all of our angles and all of our sides. So A, we said, is 24 degrees. B is 82 degrees. And side C is 5 meters. So when we approach this problem, we can see that we have an angle-side-angle problem. So this allows us to use the law of sines to solve this problem. The first thing that we should do with it is find our third angle, because we know that if you take all three angles of any given triangle and add the angles together, the result has to be 180 degrees. So in this case, A is 24, B is 82, and C is our unknown value that we're solving for. So we're going to subtract 24 degrees and 82 degrees from each side, which leaves us with C equals 74 degrees. So we can plug that into our table now. And that just leaves us with two sides to solve for, side A and side B. So side A, we're going to get with the law of sines. Remember, the law of sines says that if you take any side and divide it by sine of its corresponding angle or its opposite angle, that's equal to any other side divided by sine of its opposite angle. Now, I specifically chose C over sine of C in this case because we know angle C and side C, but we don't know angle A with side A or angle B with side B. And whenever we set this up, we need to know three of our variables. So we're going to use C over sine of C and set that equal to A over sine of A, which allows us to solve for just the unknown value A. So let's start plugging in our information. We get A over sine of angle A is 24 degrees equals C, which is 5, divided by sine of C is 74 degrees. And now to finally get A by itself, we're just going to multiply each side by sine of 24 degrees, which leaves us with just A on the left side, since the sine of 24 will cancel with the sine of 24 in the denominator, giving us A equals 5 sine of 24 degrees over sine of 74 degrees. And when we plug that into our calculator, we will get 2.1156 meters. We always round to 4 decimal places for this class. So we get A equals 2.1156 meters in our final answer. And now we want to go back and find side B. And we're going to do this the exact same way we just found side A. We're going to set B over sine of B equal to C over sine of C. And we're using C over sine of C again, even though we could use A over sine of A, because C over sine of C introduces less rounding error. We had to round side A, we did not have to round angle C. So we get B over sine of B is 82 degrees equals C is 5 over sine of C is 74 degrees. And if we multiply each side again by sine of 82 degrees, then that's going to cancel the sine of 82 that's underneath our B value, leaving us with B equals 5 sine of 82 over sine of 74, which when we plug that into our calculator gives us B equals 5.1509 meters. And when we plug that into our final answer, we have now solved our triangle completely. So we will circle our answer, and we're done.